Alright, are you tired of buying expensive data bundles when powerful tunneling technology already exists in your hands? What if I told you that with the right configuration you can unlock the full potential of your network using the Vtory technology and create a fast, stable connection using your phone? Today I will show you how to configure it step by step so you can experience the real power of network tunneling. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to configure or set up Vtory settings inside HTTP Custom. This method allows you to connect to custom servers using advanced tunneling protocols for improved speed, privacy, and network flexibility. We will focus on understanding the configuration rather than just copying settings. When you understand how it works, you gain the power to create your own configurations and optimize your connection for any network and in all countries. So by the end of this tutorial, you will understand the basics of Vtory tunneling, configure Vtory settings inside HTTP Custom, import or manually create a working configuration for Vtory, and then connect successfully and troubleshoot some common issues. So, you're going to download the HTTP Custom application, but before downloading it, let me first explain what is Vtory. Vtory is an advanced proxy and tunneling platform designed to bypass restrictions, improve privacy, and route internet traffic through secure servers. So, these are the requirements you need. You need an Android phone, a stable internet connection, HTTP Custom installed, and a valid Vtory server configuration or a subscription link. So step 1, you're going to install and open the HTTP Custom application. So open your Google Play Store as I did, and then search for HTTP Custom VPN. Install this application. It's about like 60 MBs, not even reaching 60 MBs. And then after installing it, open the application. Once opened, you will see the main dashboard where all connection profiles are created. Then step 2, you're going to visit allow all the permissions, and then you're going to visit Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your Android device, and then reach where you search from right here, and then you're going to use fast SSH. Search fast SSH Vtory then vmes, then search. Then after searching, this is what we're going to do. You're going to click the first link in the server, in the results, and then wait for a few moments so that it can catch up with the internet connection. Remember that you're going to create a Vtory configuration. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like our tutorial. Let us scroll down and try to zoom in like I'm doing. Then check the servers and check and active. And in this case, we're going to use this one. And then this will open. And then after, you're going to watch this short advert. So you guys, you're going to, after watching, you're going to close, and then we continue. Let me try to zoom out. Scroll down and then scroll down until you reach such a kind of page. You're going to put in our username. Just put in only your username, mouse tech 34, and then after you confirm that you're not a robot. And then you come and because you have created an account, and then wait for a few moments. Maybe let us come right here. View a short advert, and then after you come, as I told you guys, put in your username, view that short advert. The reason why I use fast access, like it has many adverts, but it has a stable connection. Confirm the recaptcha, then put in your username marustech23, then wait for a few seconds so that you can confirm that you're not a robot. Then after, you scroll down until you see, then scroll to the left, try to scroll down. We are looking for creating the create button, but I'm not seeing the create button. Just load the page. This is the button I was looking for. It was covered by adverts. marustech23, confirm you are not a robot. Try to zoom out. Then we are going to be looking for this button to create. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. Then after, click this button, and then scroll up. And then after, you're going to come where you have copy, and then after copying, you're going to open our HTTP custom application you previously installed. Then make sure before continuing with the connection, the DNS is enabled, and the reason why you enable the DNS is to prevent the internet service provider from throttling into our search results, or to prevent that internet service provider from seeing our search results. So enable this button, and then after, you come right here. So if you already if you previously installed this application, you first come right here, you have those three dots right here. Then after, you come and clear or reset the config so that you can remove any configuration file that is in this application, that is saved in the application. After, enable the Vtory, and then after, you come right here on this gear button, choose Vtory settings, and then you're going to just paste. After pasting, come at this button, and then you come where we have the server IP address. Remove and put in your country SNI. After putting in your country's SNI, then you go back and you are free to connect, and then you'll be able to access a fast, stable and secure internet in your country.